This is because we will have our elections again, and I said we will have an orderly, clean, and honest election. I urge the government to be conscious of this because everybody would be working towards this end. I would emphasize that the military and the police focus on this event because we said we want an honest election. My guarantee to the nation is that it's not really that it will happen or it can happen. But kami nga nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, sinasabi ko lang as president, I guarantee, akong guarantor ako, that we will do everything to ensure that the election is free from violence and that people are not intimidated in any way to exercise the right to vote and to choose whoever. Towards this attaining the clean and honest election, the reason why I am not supporting any candidate by inference or implied or indirect, wala ako, wag kayong maniwala dyan na kasi dahil ay nagpunta ako doon that I raised the hands of some candidates. It does not include all because I do not know them. The best guarantee is that hindi natin kilala so that tayo mismo, ako as president, it is my constitutional duty also to see to it that everything, that the law, the rules are followed. Kaya ganon. That everybody is yung tatrabaho niya, yung trabahoin niya, lalo na yung military, pati police, because you know how elections always sometimes result. Well, you can choose your kung sino yung kandidato ninyo. Ulitin ko, may haka-haka palagi na nito kasi just because I'm seen in the company of them, it's not that as president, I have to go where my duty mandates me to. Pero ulitin ko, you better disabuse your minds about getting into guesses and assumptions. Wala akong kandidato pagka-presidente ngayon hanggang Disyembre para ano ninyo na wala kami, and even the cabinet. Hindi ko naman sila pinagbabawalan. But
thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.